Folks, we've got Rosewill computer case. This is, I think, a mid tower, so it'll be a little on the small side. Model FBM-X1, and Rosewill is out of LA, but this is made in China. So box has a little bit of damage to it, no doubt, in part to our friends at let's see, where did this? I think this came through FedEx. So I always take care of my stuff when it comes to the house, but oh well. What can you do? You know. All right, so let me have to put this on the side. Pull it out of here. Hopefully one of these cameras will capture that. Oops. All right. I just have to heave this off the back and so, looking at this on Amazon, it looked like it was pretty good quality compared to some of the cases I've been buying. I gotta say, I haven't had the best luck with quality. I did spend a bunch on my son's computer, and so he got a good one, but myself, I haven't been taking care of myself like I could. All right, so just so we can see this, and move this over here a little bit. All right, so we got the user guide. And this is, wow, this is actually pretty nice, folks. Showing you different stuff, the connectors. They must have learned from their mistakes. So let's take this off. All right, so on the front, we have 2 USB 3.0s, and over here, hopefully I can pick that up. We have 2 USB 2.0s. There's a headphone jack and a microphone on the front. This is the reset, most likely. And then there's a power button. Feels well built, and it did not come dinged up like a lot of times. Now this is acrylic, so that you can see this big disaster that I will most likely have in here. I don't always do the best cable management on this this channel, and I do not brag about my cable management. So what's going to go in here, folks, or if you're curious, I will probably put the i5 8400 in here, or the maybe in the i3 8350K. I have to figure that out, what I'm going to do. But we're going to use the Gigabyte H310M micro ATX motherboard and put it in here. Let's go ahead and take the side off. So well, we're out of power on the first camera. I like when they include these. So manufacturers are learning. People like those. Second piece of plastic. I'll keep that one on for now. All right, so let's dip down a little bit and try and use my my light as best we can here to light this up. All right, so it looks like your drives, you're going to, the way this is set up now, only be able to screw them in from the sides. with 2 or 3 screws, which works, you know. I don't know who decided to take that route, but that seems to be the way some of these manufacturers are headed. Alright, so I'm going to get these cables out of here so we can look in here a little better. So you can just see in here we've got a fan. I'm not sure what size that is. It appears to be a 120 millimeter fan. I will we'll find out in a bit. Then we've got a smaller one, probably 90 millimeters or smaller, and we see our ATX power supply will go here. This will be the spot for our connectors for the motherboard. So this is nice. It includes two fans. So I got this for like 25 bucks. So I definitely cannot complain. Here's we'll put our graphics card. Let's take this other side off. And if we're lucky, they've got this set up so we can route some of the cables back through here so you can't see them. Yeah, it looks like we might be able to do that in a few places. But access points, you can put the drives. Might even be able to go too wide on the 2.5-inch drives. But that is about it for this, folks. You know, just I didn't show it. Cable ties and some screws and probably your little sensor to ding when your computer boots up. But that's about it with this case. So let's talk about it from a manufacturing quality perspective. It is made out of aluminum, it looks like, and it didn't actually come in all bent up and dinged up like a lot of crap does here. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I believe this faceplate will pop off if one wants it to. So we're going to go ahead and start building this up. I probably will not put a graphics card in this, so it will probably, maybe it'll be the i3 8350K or a Pentium that goes in here. But thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.